Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon, everybody. My dear third class students. Today discuss about addition of 4-digit numbers using beads and 9 abacus. See here, addition of 4-digit numbers using beads and 9 abacus. So I can take one example. Listen carefully. So let us add the numbers. Listen carefully. $2,512 and $3,025 using beads and an abacus. Abacus. See here, represent the number. First, represent the number 2512 on abacus. See here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. These are the spikes. See here, first you can represent 2512. So represent the number on the abacus. See, you can in this first ones place spike, how many beads? Okay, see here, there is 2 beads in one's place, so you can fill up 2 beads. Now next here, see here, this is the tens place spike. So here 1 is given in tens place, so you can need 1 bead in tens place. Now next, see here 5. So 5 is in hundreds place, so you can keep 5 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5 in hundreds place. Now 2 beads in tens place. See here 2,512. See now, second number you can write under the first number, that is 3025. See, listen carefully. See, there is 5. There is 5 in the ones place. See, second number. There is 5 in the ones place of second number. So add 5 beads on the abacus spike. See here. So add, how many beads you can add? 5 beads. Where? Ones place spike. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can write it here 7. Now next, there is a 2. There is a 2 in tens place of second number. So add 2 beads on tens place spike. How many beads you can add? 2. So totally 1, 2, 3. Now next one, there is 0 in the hundreds place. So 0 in the hundreds place of the second number. So no need to add any beads. 0 means nothing. So you no need to add any beads on the hundreds spike in the abacus. So 5 plus 0, what we get? We can get 5. Now last one is, there is 3 in thousands place of the second number. So we add 3 beads on the thousands spike. How many bits? 3 bits. 1, 2, 3. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sum is equals to 5537. The sum of two numbers 2512 and 3025 is 5537. So addition of 4-digit number with regrouping. This is very, very important. See here, how many ones? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones are there. 10 ones. 10 ones make a 110. So this is 110. 10 ones make a 110. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి బేటా 110. 10 ones make a 110. So here 10 ones means 110. 10 tens means 100. 10 hundreds means 1000. Everybody remember it. See here, 10 ones make a 110. Next 10 tens. 10 tens means 10 into 10. What we get? 100. 100. 10 tens means 100. Next 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds means 10 into 100. What we get? We can get 1000. 10 hundreds means 1000. So once again, 10 ones make a 110. 10 tens. 10 tens is nothing but 10 into 10. 10 tens means 100. 10 tens make 100. Next 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds means 10 into 100. So 10 into 100, what we get? You can get 1000. 10 hundreds make a 1000. So this is the main important. So everybody remember it. See now next here 7 tens in your textbook, very easy. Listen carefully. I can say very easily. I can draw shortcut methods. So here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here only 10 say 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 10, 10, 10. So plus here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. See here. Here how many tens are there? So this is the 1 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens are there. So here 7 tens. So here how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens are there. Total what we get? 7 tens plus 6 tens. 7 plus 6 you can get 13 tens. ఎన్ని వస్తాయి బేట మనకు ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపితే సో యూ కెన్ గెట్ 13 టెన్స్. హౌ మెనీ టెన్స్? 13. నాన్న ఇది చూడండి 13 టెన్స్ మీన్స్ 3 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. So 10 plus 3. So 13 tens. 13 tens means 3 is in 10's place and 1 is in 100's place. 13 tens means this 3 is in 10's place and 1 is in 100's place. Did you understand? So 13 it can written as 100 means 10 into 10. How many you can write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can write 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it can be written as, so this is the 100's place. So 13 tens means 3 is in 10's place and 1 is in 100's place. Now next 3 tens. So you can write here 3. 1, 2, 3. So here 100. 100. See 100 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens you can get 100. 10 tens you can get 100. 100 and 3 tens. 3 tens. So very simple. See listen carefully. 30. See one, I can say one shortcut method. One shortcut method is there. See here. 13 tens. 13 tens means 3 is in 10's place and 1 is in 100's place. Did you understand? So 100 3 tens. 100 3 tens. Next page number 35 everybody. See. So here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. 8 tens plus 4 tens plus 2 tens. 8 tens plus 4 tens plus 2 tens. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 16 tens total. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 tens. See here, in first figure 8 tens plus second figure 4 tens plus third figure 2 tens. Totally 8 tens plus 4 tens plus 2 tens. See here 8 tens, listen carefully, plus 4 tens plus 2 tens. See here, so what we get? 8 tens plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. So, 12 plus 2, 14 tens totally. See 14 tens means 4 is in 10's place, 1 is in 100's place. 100 and 4 tens. అర్థమైందా నాన్న? See 14 tens means 4 is in tens place, means here tens is there, so automatically the 4 is in tens place. 4 is in tens place. So then this is 1 is in hundreds place. So you can write here 100 and 4 tens. 100 and 4 tens. See, here some example given. See everybody. 8 hundreds. See, look at the blackboard. 8 hundreds plus 4 hundreds. 8 plus 4, 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds. So, ఏమవుతుంది బేట అప్పుడు now next 2 is in hundreds place and 1 is in thousands place. So 1000 and 200. 1000 and 200. Did you understand? 8 hundreds plus 4 hundreds, 8 plus 4, 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds means 2 is in hundreds place. So the remaining left side of the number 1 is in thousands place automatically. So then it can be written as 1 is in thousands place and 2 is in hundreds place. So now next see, listen carefully. 700s plus 1900s. 7 plus 19, what we got? 2600s. 2600s means 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place. So 2000s, did you understand what I am saying? 2000s and 600s. Now next 500s plus 3600s. Five hundreds plus 36 hundreds. Five hundreds plus 36 hundreds, you can get 41 hundreds. So in it 1 is goes to hundreds place, 4 is goes to thousands place. So then 4000s and 100s. Next 800s. 42 tens. Listen carefully. See 800s 42 tens means 4 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place. 4 hundreds plus 2 tens. So now 8 hundreds plus 4 hundreds, you can get 12 hundreds. And 2 tens. Next here 12 hundreds means 2 is in hundreds place, 1 is in thousands place. 1000 2 hundreds and 2 tens. Did you understand? 8 hundreds plus 4 hundreds plus 2 tens. 8 hundreds plus 4 hundreds, 12 hundreds plus 2 tens. This is not hundreds. So in 8 hundreds, 2 is in hundreds place and 1 is in thousands place. Then you can write 1 is in thousands and 2 is in hundreds and 2 tens. That's it. Next one, last one. Hundreds plus 24 tens plus 12 ones. See, listen carefully. 600 as it is, you can write. So 12 tens means 2 hundreds plus 4 tens. 4 tens plus 12 ones means 110 plus 2 ones. See here how many hundreds are there? 6 hundreds plus 2 hundreds, 8 hundreds. 4 tens plus 110, total 5 tens. And 2 ones. What's 8 hundreds, 5 tens and ones, tens, hundreds. Like that. See here now next, the concept of building simplifies the addition process and makes it easier to solve the addition. So now next, now we shall learn the addition of 4-digit numbers by carrying. Already you know. Write the numbers column wise according to their places. So first of all, we can write the given number. Add 6,817 and 2,594. First of all, write the given two numbers arranged, write in column wise. Write the numbers column wise according to their places means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. You can write 6,817. Next 2,594. So while you are doing the addition problem, first of all you can start from right side ones place to next place. Add the digits in ones column first. Add the digits which are in ones place you can add first. So 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, how many you can get? 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 you can get 11. 11 is a 2-digit number, so it has taking and carrying. So you can take it. You can take always ones place digit and write ones column. So one is taking right under ones place and one is carrying in tens place. See here. So this is a carrying 1 plus 9. See here 1 plus 9. So here the digits which are in tens place, you can add its second one. See here, what are the digits in tens place? 1 plus 9, these are the given digits, but this is the carrying digit. So you can add digits along with carrying digits. So you can write 1 plus 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 9, 11. Again 11 you can get. Then the ones place digit 1 and taking right under tens column, 1 is carrying in hundreds place. So then you can add 3 digits. That is 2 is the 8 and 5, 1 is the carrying digit. So you can add 1 plus 8 plus 5, very easy. 1 plus 8 plus 5. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5. What do we get? 14. Means 4 taking right under hundreds column and 1 is carrying in thousands place. Then you can add the digits which are in thousands place, you can add. See here, 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. This is the last you can write directly. Then, therefore, sum is equals to 9,411. What do problems on addition of 4-digit numbers? C. Now next. What are problems on addition of 4-digit number? Page number 37. See here. A ready-made garment factory makes 3,560 shirts and 4,218 trousers in a week. How many garments does the factory make in a week in total? See here, number of shirts first of all. Number of shirts, how many beta? Did you understand the problem? A ready-made garment factory. Ready-made garment factory అంటే ఏంటిదో బట్టలు కుట్టేటువంటి ఫ్యాక్టరీ. A ready-made garment factory makes 3,566 shirts. 3,560 shirts and 4,218 trousers in a week కుడుతున్నాయి. So how many garments does the factory make in a week? See in total. See here, number of shirts is equals to 3,560. Number of trousers $4,280. The total number of shirts and trousers is equals to 3,560 plus 4,280. So everybody write down the given two numbers in column wise. 3,560, 4,280. See, first we can add the digits in ones place. 0 plus 8, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 4. Very simple. 7,778. See here. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands place. So the total number of shirts and trousers garments made in a week. $7,778. Can you see? So everybody write down. So tomorrow one problem is there, page number 38. So now next everybody open tomorrow mathematics activity books.